I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a charge on your TD card, follow these steps to get it sorted out quickly. Step 1. Review your statement. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Ashraq.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect any relevant documents that support your dispute, such as receipts, emails, or screenshots. This will help you present a strong case. Step 3. Contact TD customer service. Call the TD customer service number found on the back of your card. Explain the situation and provide them with the details of the disputed charge. Step 4. Follow up with a written dispute. After your call, send a written dispute to TD, including all the details and documentation you gathered. This can often speed up the process. Step 5. Monitor the progress. Keep an eye on your account and any correspondence from TD regarding your dispute. They usually provide updates, but don't hesitate to follow up if you don't hear back. Disputing a charge can feel overwhelming, but by following these steps, you can navigate the process smoothly. Good luck, and I hope your issue gets resolved quickly.